If you're like me, you're struggling to find other editor sources that fix like CapCut. Well, I'm here to help you, man. I'm here to help you get it back. So this is how you're gonna get it back. Shout out to Reddit because Reddit did help me out a lot. And before we proceed into getting how we get it back, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Don't just get it and just leave me high and dry. All right. Please show me some love in the comments, something, man. Please. All right. So this is how I got it back. Big shout out to Reddit. So what we're gonna do is look this up. Look this website up. Please look it up. Do not go on Google, I forgot how to say it. Do not go on Google extensions. Just do it like this. Go to the download. This is for everybody. For Windows people, this will be right here. And for everybody else, your stuff gonna be down here. They even got File TV and Apple TV, which I don't know why you're gonna need it. I don't know. I mean, I never had an Apple TV, so I don't know. But yeah, so this is for everybody else. Everybody else is right here. But I'm not gonna download it because I already got it installed. Hey, but so once you get it, click on it. All right. And once you click on it, it should let for a load. So once it load, you click this. You click quick connect. Quick connect. Okay. It seems to add right away. It might sometimes it might. But if it doesn't, if you're still in the US, click change server. Do not buy anything out. Please do not. Click change server. When this does this, it's gonna have you it might seem that might still be in the US. If it's still but if it seems to somebody that's still in the US, it's gonna give you a 1 minute timer. And once that 1 minute timer runs out, you click it again. Then it should send you to someone that's out of state. But if it happens to still see you to someone that's still in the US, you gotta wait 20 minutes. And if you gotta wait 20 minutes, get on YouTube, watch Netflix, something. Just just wait. Just be patient. Then after that, it should send you somewhere that's out of state. It should. It should, because it always does that to me. It's for real. But yeah, that's all you got to do. That's how you're gonna get CapCut back. It's this for all my PC people and people who on. I mean, I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna work iPhone. You could try though, but iPhone, Android, whatever you use. And as you can see, I am in Romania. So open CapCut, and bam, CapCut is back. But I would say this: CapCut did up their prices from $9 to $19, so you're gonna be paying more. And I don't know if it's gonna just take the money out of your account right away. So you might have to click on it and renew it. So I don't know, but that's what I would say. So you got CapCut back now. If you ain't down if you didn't delete it, but I'm pretty sure you get it back if you do this. And also, this is a gem. This is a gem. I did find a spot that was low key better than CapCut. This is this Windows Share 14. Let me show you. Let me show you why. Let me show you why. This is the only good part about this thing. The only good part. All right. So this is the only good thing about this thing is this. You go here, right? You can let me not click on dude. You can click on this guy right here. All right. Watch this. It's just gonna be him. I ain't gonna lie. For some reason I thought that was so fire. I don't know why, but I thought it was so fire. And I don't know. And I don't know if you can all do it in CapCut. Never really tried. But look at it, bro. Like look at it. It looks so tough. Like it's so tough. Oh dang, I messed it up. I messed it up. It's okay. But I will put a gym out. I will put that out there. But look at the prices though. Oh dang. These are the prices. The prices are pretty high. I don't know if you're paying this one time, then you're just having it for the rest of the year. But yeah, this is the prices. You know, yeah. If you want to do that, do that. But I just want to put that out there, bro. But that's how you get cat cut back. If you didn't delete it, or if you did delete it, I'm pretty sure you can get it back. You know, on PC and also maybe on iPhone. But hopefully that ain't take much time of your day. Hopefully you like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, let me redo that because that sounds a little aggressive. That's not a little aggressive. Hopefully you liked the video and showed me some love because I need it. But I know for sure. Help your boys out though. That's for sure. That's one day. That's one day I did. Help your boys out. 'Cause I don't like leaving people stranded, bro. Cause I was like you once. I was alone on an island, didn't know where to go. And guess what? I helped you out. So just how I helped you out, please help me out. Show me some love, man. Show it to your grandma, show it to your cat. I don't care who you show it to. Show it to somebody. Show it to Casper. Not Ashley Casper, because you're showing it nobody. Casper's nobody. Please share it. But that being said, hope you enjoy your day. Hope you enjoy your day. And hope I see you next time, man. And that being said, I'm out. Peace.